Presido Buhari don receive Secretary General of International Seabed. Secretary General of International Seabed Authority, Michael Lodge, don land Abuja to participate for the workshop when they talk about African Deep Sea Resources Project. This project na to create awareness among African states about the importance and opportunities when they are associated to the development of Africa continental shelf. Michael Lodge called on Presido Buhari make Nigeria explore the seabed mineral resources.
I would like to encourage Nigeria to consider going to the international seabed to explore the potential for deep seabed mineral resources as a very important future resource and something that can offer great potential to support.
Presido Buhari thanked the international seabed authorities as them take give Nigeria the right to host the workshop as it go dey effective towards increasing Nigeria participation for the international seabed area. Presido Buhari constantly on the role of technology to help discover new mineral resources.
Technology, I think, is proving there are strategic minerals down there useful in the future, especially for developing countries around that area where such minerals have already been discovered.
Buhari considers the opportunity praise the Nigerian Navy for the good work they do to protect and guide waterways for Nigeria. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget to your PVC and be your power. Don't tell them give any politician on election day.